It's your turn to host movie night at your place, and of course, you would like to cook something really delicious for your guests. Well, we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks With baked chicken with rice. So let's get started. Let's prepare the marinade. Now let's prepare the chicken. Set your timer for 30 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Let's cook the rice. Feel free to use your favorite rice. Set a timer for 20 minutes. Simmer the rice for 20 minutes. Reset your timer for 20 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Historians believe chickens were first domesticated over 8,000 years ago in Southeast Asia. The chicken looks great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get a portion on a plate. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. While the chicken is baked to perfection and the Brazilian-inspired marinade with its exotic spice combination creates a delicious, vibrant, and well-rounded flavor profile. Leave a comment and/or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. you got this. Looks like this baked chicken with rice dish was a hit. Stay with us, watch the next video.